Good day, students. Today we were going to discuss our last topic in second quarter, and that is multiplication and division of integers. But before we proceed, let us first perform the indicated operation. We have number 1, 3 times 5. The answer is correct. That's 15. Number 2, 2 times 3. It's 6. 6 times 5, the answer is 30. 7 times 7, you got it right, it's 49. 8 times 7, the answer is 56. Let's start with division. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 36 divided by 9, that's 4. And lastly, 24 divided by 4, the answer is 6. Okay, very good. Now, before we proceed on how to multiply and divide integers, let us first identify the different symbols that are used in multiplication and division. For multiplication, we use this what we call parentheses. If there is no operation between two parentheses, means to say we're going to multiply. We also use this X symbol, or this X is what we call the multiplication symbol. And lastly, the dot, which is, we call that one as dot operator or bullet operator. If we see a dot between two integers, it means multiplication. So for this one, 2 times 4 using parentheses, 2 times 4 using multiplication symbol, and 2 times 4 using dot operator or bullet operator symbol. For division, we use this fraction form, wherein there is a line that separates these two numbers, and that line is what we call fraction bar. And of course, the division symbol. Okay, now this time, let's proceed on how to multiply and divide integers. In dividing and multiplying integers, we follow certain rules. And the first rule is, if we are multiplying and dividing integers with the same sign, the answer is always positive. Again, multiplying and dividing integers with the same sign, the answer is always positive. Example, positive times positive, the answer is positive. Or negative multiplied by negative, the answer is positive. Same in division. Positive divided by positive is positive. Negative divided by negative is positive. Now, how about if we are multiplying or dividing unlike sign or different signs? Now, if we are dividing or multiplying integers with different signs, the answer is negative. Example, positive times negative is negative. Or negative times positive, the answer is still negative. Same as in division. Positive divided by negative, the answer is negative. Or negative divided by positive, the answer is still negative. Okay, by the way, multiplication and division of integers, they follow the same rules. And what are the rules? Same sign, the answer is positive. Different sign, the answer is negative. Now, let us try some examples. Let's start with multiplication of integers. We have number 1, positive 2 times positive 5, same sign, means positive answer. And the answer for this one is positive 10. Number 2, negative 2 and positive 4, unlike sign, the answer is negative. So for this one, 2 times 4, it's 8. And should be negative 8. Next, positive 5 times negative 3, unlike sign, so the answer is negative. So for this one, the answer is negative 15. Number 4, negative 6 times negative 3, they have the same sign, they're both negative, so the answer should be positive. So 6 times 3, 6 12 18, and the answer is positive 80. This time, let us have positive 2 times negative 5 times positive 4. So in this case, we're going to start multiplying from left to right. So we have here positive 2 times negative 5. Positive times negative will give us a negative answer. So for this one, it's negative 10. And negative 10 times positive 4, the answer is negative 40. Now let's proceed in division of integers. So we have here number 1, positive 10 divided by positive 5 gives us a positive answer, and that is positive 2. Number 2, negative 42 divided by positive 7, negative times positive, unlike sign, will gives us a negative answer, and that is negative 6. Number 3, positive 15 divided by negative 3, unlike sign, so we're going to have a negative answer, and the answer for this one is negative 3. Number 4, negative 20 divided by negative 5, same sign, will gives us a positive answer, and the answer is positive 4. Now this time, how about if we have 3 integers? So still we're going to by the way, this one is divide from left to right. Okay, we were going to find the answer for number 5 after number 6. So for number 6, we have here numbers that are enclosed with parentheses. So based on the things that we have discussed in the PEMDAS rule, we will start with the numbers that are inside the parentheses or brackets. So in this case, we will going to deal with negative 4 times positive 5. Negative 4 times positive 5, unlike sign, will gives us a negative 20 as our answer. Divide it with negative 20 divided by negative 4, negative divided by negative, same sign, so we got a positive answer, and that is positive 5. Now let's go back with number 5 question. Let's start dividing from left to right. Let's start with 40. Positive 40 divided by negative 5. They are unlike sign. So we have here negative 8. Negative 8 divided by positive 4. Unlike sign. So the answer is negative, and that is negative 2. Okay, so that's it. That is how we multiply and divide integers. Just follow our rule. If we have same sign, the answer is always positive. If we have different signs, the answer is always negative. So thank you so much for listening, grade 6, and have a nice day.